Welcome to Cine Tech. Today, we're reviewing the Roborock Saros 20, a flagship robot vacuum and mop designed for comprehensive home cleaning. It features an ultra-slim body, advanced navigation, and an impressive self-cleaning dock. This model aims to deliver powerful vacuuming and effective mopping for complex homes. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's assess how the Saros 20 performs with daily cleaning challenges. Hard floor cleaning is a major strength, as independent tests confirm it picks up debris exceptionally well on these surfaces. While good, its carpet cleaning isn't quite as dominant as its hard floor capabilities, especially for fine particles. Pet hair removal is largely effective, consistently picking up most hair from carpeted areas without significant issues. Its ultra-slim design allows it to easily access and clean under low-profile furniture, reaching hidden dust and pet hair. The Saros 20 proves to be a top performer for everyday cleaning, particularly shining on hard surfaces and navigating challenging home environments. Considering its high price, we examine the value you receive. The cleaning and navigation systems are genuinely top tier, offering a premium experience that justifies much of its cost. The fully automated dock greatly reduces manual intervention, providing excellent hands-free convenience for daily upkeep. Its engineering prowess shines through with unusually advanced threshold climbing and impressive slim navigation capabilities. The flagship price point means that while performance is excellent, the pure value proposition is somewhat limited compared to mid-range options. Despite its premium price, the Saros 20 delivers substantial value through its advanced cleaning performance and comprehensive automation features. Let's look at the potential downsides and what buyers should consider. Independent tests indicate its obstacle avoidance can still be inconsistent, potentially leading to minor hang-ups in cluttered areas. The advanced dock, with its multiple cleaning and drying systems, introduces more mechanical complexity that could require maintenance. For homes with less demanding cleaning needs, the significant investment required for this unit may be difficult to fully justify. Roborock provides excellent app support and readily available accessories, which builds confidence in long-term ownership. Potential buyers should be aware of inconsistent obstacle avoidance and the added complexity of its advanced, multifunction dock system. The Roborock Saros 20 truly earns its flagship status, offering exceptional hard floor cleaning, impressive low-profile navigation, and robust dock automation. While it's a significant investment and its obstacle avoidance isn't flawless, it remains one of the most capable all-around robot vacuums of 2026. For premium buyers seeking maximum convenience and performance, this model is a strong recommendation.